Okay, let's have a go at the next one then. We've got 9x squared minus 6x minus 3. Everything's arranged in the right position, isn't it? The x squared x is constant equals 0, so that's good. Let's circle the number of x squareds then. The number of x squareds is the a. The number of x's, which we'll circle, is the b. Notice I've tagged the minus because it's a minus 6 lots of. And then the number of constants is the c. Okay, so now we need to just put everything in its place in the formula. Let's overwrite the a with 9. So wherever it's in a, we put 9. That's easy to change, isn't it? There and there. Okay, and then wherever we see a b, we put minus 6. So minus 6 and b squared. So it's a minus 6 squared. So I've got to be careful that I tag the minus in with the square. So it's minus 6. I'll put a little bracket around it when there's more than one single entry, like textual entry here with a minus. So minus 6 bracket squared. And then c is minus 3. So let's put that in times minus 3. Yeah, that's it then. So let's tidy that up. So what have we got? X equals then? We've got minus 6 plus or minus square root of something over 2 9s or 18. What is the something then? Well, we got bracket here, minus 6 squared. And we can work that out with our calculator. That's 36. We've got a minus times a minus on this second pi, which make a plus. So in our calculator, we can enter 36 plus, and it's 4 times 9 times 3. Yeah? So it's 36 plus 4 times 9 times 3, 144. Okay? That goes in the square root there, which square root of 144, which we can work out in just a tick. So we can write down, so x equals then minus 6 plus the square root of 144, which we know is 12, and I'll leave you to worry about that on a calculator, over 18, or x equals minus 6 minus 12 over 18, yeah? So this will give you 6 over 18, which is a third, and this one will give you minus 18 over 18, which is minus 1. So there we are. There's the two roots. Let's just quickly check. Say the minus 1, for example, put it in here in our mind's eye. Minus 1 squared is 1. 9 times 1 is 9. So that's 9 there. You've got minus 6 times minus 1, which is plus 6. Yeah? And then you've got minus 3. So you've got 9. Plus 6 is 15. Minus 3 is 12. So this is wrong. So we've got to go back up now and check where we've made the mistake, haven't we? Yeah? So minus b. There's the mistake, isn't it? See, it spotted it straight away. So it's good to check the answer there. It's a fail-safe. So let's change minus 6. So we've got a plus 6, haven't we? Because it was minus b and b is minus 6. So there's a double minus here. So that changes that to a plus. So let's just flick that through all the way down. And we'll just quickly make this change here and here and see what we get. Okay. So what do we get? 6 plus 12 over 18 is going to be 1. Yeah? So this answer here, we can put 1. So sorry about that, making that silly mistake, but the fail-safes stopped me getting it wrong at the end. And then the 6 minus 12 is minus 6 over 18 is minus a third. So it's minus 1 over 3. There we are then. We've got answer of 1, which you can see is correct because that's 9. 6 times 1 is 6 with a minus is minus 6 minus 3. That will equal 0. So that's right. So there's a good chance then that that's right also. If you put a third in here, minus a third squared is 1. 9 times a ninth is 1. This is minus 6 times minus a third, which will be plus 2. So you've got 1 plus 2 is 3. Take 3 is 0. So we're absolutely certain now, within any shadow of a doubt, that that's correct. Okay, sorry to drag that one out again, but it's good to illustrate how you can make a mistake but correct yourself as you go through the process. And hopefully we won't make any more glitches like that as we go on. And we'll speed up a bit now for definite. Great.